Great things. We must not only act, but also dream. Not only plan, but also believe. Let's add brilliance to excellence. A very good morning and namaskar to all of you. Gentlemen, I'm your host for the day, Razan, and I welcome each one of you to the very first Hyundai National Service Managers Conference happening here at Goa. Gentlemen, it gives me an immense pleasure to welcome each one of you, all our dignitaries, our esteemed guests, and everyone who is a part of this conference happening here today. Today, we have gathered here for a cause, and the cause is to bring all our National Service Managers on one platform. Gentlemen, it's been a journey of almost 15 years in India, and when I say 15 years, I'm not talking numbers here. I'm talking about those 15 years of trust that you have bestowed upon us, those 15 years of dedication that you have shown towards the company, and those 15 years of hard work that you have put in. So on that note, let's give ourselves a huge round of applause for all those 15 years of hard work and start over for this wonderful time. So gentlemen, allow me to begin with this conference with a video which binds us all to the global brand called Hyundai. Take a look. That was a wonderful lady showcasing the journey of Hyundai. And now gentlemen, I'd like to welcome and invite our group in charge, Mr. J.Y. Chung, to officially kick off National Service Conference and share his vision with us. Please help me welcome our group in charge, Mr. J.Y. Chung. Hyundai National Service Managers Conference happening here at Goa. Gentlemen, I think you have had your tea, all of you? Feeling more energetic now? Yes? Alright, so let's begin off with the conference then. A philosopher once said that we all have the light. All we need to do is ignite it. What true words. And to extend this thought to our service department, may I now invite Section Head Customer Care, Mr. Himanshu Singhal, to share with us the CSI Enhancement Plan. Please help me welcome Mr. Himanshu Singhal. Thank you so much, sir. And now I'd like to invite upon Mr. John Paul, Manager Technical Support HMIL, to take this session a step further. Please help me welcome Mr. John. After this open session round, it is time for the award ceremony. Gentlemen, these are the top performers in JDT. These are the top performers in JDT. And moving on from the East 1 zone, we have Uttar Hyundai Bhubaneswar with us. Now moving on to the South 2 zone, the winners are Lakshmi Hyundai Visakhapatnam with a score of 913. CSI Top Performance Awards 2012. And from the East 1 zone, we have Seni Hyundai Kolkata with a score of 931. Thank you so much, sir. So gentlemen, with this we have come to an end of the first Hyundai National Service Managers Conference happening here at Goa. Thank you so much for being here with us. And before you leave, there are a few things that I wanted to bring to your notice. One is that you have your feedback forms right in front of you. Do fill them up. There are two forms. One is your National Service Managers Conference feedback form. That is the feedback form of this conference. And on the back side of the form, do mention your departure details, as in the time when you are leaving, and if you remember the flight number or any other details you have with you, please mention your departure details over there. And the second form for you is your customer voice form, which you can fill up and carry along. Leave the conference form right there on the table and carry along the customer voice form. And your shuttles are waiting outside. All those who are staying at Radisson, the shuttles are waiting outside. And yes, we have a wonderful evening planned for each one of you. So the shuttles would be available at 7:45, 8 o'clock and 8:15.
7:45, 8 o'clock and 8:15, the shuttles would be waiting for you outside the Radisson Hotel. Do come down for this evening that we have planned specially for you. Till then, take care, relax and come down for the evening. See you then. Thank you so much.